everyone and welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. I'm Nicole Chantell, and if you like everything beauty, then go ahead and hit that subscribe button and become a part of my makeup family. With all that being said, let's jump right into this video. Hello my loves. Today I'm going to be just sitting down and doing a get ready video with me. Today I am meeting my aunt and uncle and my mom for my uncle's birthday. We're going to have a little brunch, which is really nice, and I'm looking forward to it. And hello, Miss Bella. Do you want to say hello to everybody? Say hello. No? Okay, you don't want to say hello. All right. So I'm going to start out doing my hair first because I just got out of the shower. I'm going in with the bed head, and this is the manipulator, and this is the, why did I say it so funny, manipulator? Sounds like, you know, a, I don't know what I was trying to say. Sounds like a robot of some sort. Transformers, there we go, got it. This is a texture paste. Anyways, this stuff does not make my hair feel hard or anything like that. It's really nice actually. And it makes my hair feel super soft, and it does have like this putty texture. What I do is I just stick my hair up first, flatten the sides. What? Hello. Hi. Oh, she's such a good cat. I love her. All right, now that's done, I'm going to just go in with some skincare. This is the Fresh Rose Deep Hydration Oil Infused Serum. Balance of hydration and nourishment. Great for the skin. I find that it really helps my skin, helps my dryness, really brings a lot of moisture into my skin. I did do a video on it. I will leave the link right here for you guys to check it out. And of course it was sent to me from Influenster, which is a free program. Anybody could sign up, which is great. And in return, you just give your honest review on the products that they send you. Kate Somerville Bio-Mimicking Peptides Serum. I don't know why I always have that mimicking, like I have a hard time saying that. This is for smooth and firm, which definitely smooths my face and firms my face. Love this. I use this on a daily. I actually got this in BoxyCharm, which I don't get anymore. So how have you guys been? Hope you guys are doing well and all is good. What have you guys been up to this summer? Like, let me know in the comments down below where you're from and what have you guys been doing. Like, have you been like staycation? Have you been like touring where you're from? You know, I think that's always fun to do, and also like, you know, to support local companies to help them out in this time as well. So let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Now I'm going to just pop some of this underneath my eye, which is the Rodial, can never say that correctly. Do forgive me. And it's called the Pink Diamond, and this is the lip and eye filler. This here, I do mention it in an upcoming video, my favorites video. You're only getting 0.5 fluid ounces, which is not very much, and I really do like this. Of course, it has this nice little applicator here, and it's very cool to the touch. So I just take a small amount, and I find that it really firms and like fills. It just makes it look a little bit puffier, which I know it's like, oh my god, you don't want to have puffy eyes, but what I'm trying to say is that it makes it super like smooth looking. Now while that's like soaking into my skin, I just take a little bit of it on my finger and I also put it on my lips. I know I've said in the past that I'm not like a person for multi-purpose products, but this one I really do like. Now where it's really warm today, I don't want to go out with foundation on because I'm just not feeling it. So I'm going to go in with my little tiny La Mer, the moisturizing cream. Love this stuff. Got it in a Sephora favorites set. It was like $37. Haven't seen it since. Wish they would bring it back. Just saying, Sephora, even though I know you'll never see this video. But I thought I'd put it out in the world because it just might happen. So I like to take a little bit of this and I go in with my Drunk Elephant Debronzy, and this is the Anti-Pollution Sunshine Serum. Nicole, you gotta try to get your words together, girl. So I take that much, then I take a little bit of the bronzer, and I mix that together. And then that creates like a nice glow to my skin. Apply it onto my skin. I used to use my Drunk Elephant Protein Moisturizer, but I ran all out of that one, and the full-size one, and then I used the mini one that I had, and I also ran out of that one. So it'll be time for me to order it again soon. So I'd like to know, like, what have you guys been doing to keep occupied during the pandemic? Like, are you guys going out? Are you guys like doing more online ordering? Like, what are your thoughts on it? How are you feeling? Like, really, how are you feeling? I hope that you guys are doing well and that you're okay. Because, you know, in the end, we will be okay. We just gotta get through this time. Now, I'm gonna let that kind of soak into my skin. And I think I'm gonna start doing my eyes. And I don't know if I really want to put any foundation on my eyes. I don't even know if I'm gonna do my brows today. They're kind of looking okay. Maybe I'll just use some brow gel, which my plan is to use this brow gel up by Benefit, and it's the 24-hour brow setter. Not really a fan of it. I bought it a long time ago because I ran out of my Anastasia brow gel, which I absolutely love. That stuff really holds my brows in place. And this stuff here, I just feel like, I don't know, I feel like I gotta put a lot on. And I feel like it doesn't really hold my brows in place. If you guys use it and it works great for your brows, that's great. But unfortunately, I don't know what it is, but it just does not work for my brows. So my plan is to use it up because I don't want to waste it. Definitely don't want to throw it away because it is, you know, over $20. Okay, so today I think I'm going to go in with 2 eyeshadow palettes. This one you could still get. This one, unfortunately, you can't, and I love it, and I wish you could. And it's by Artist Couture, and it's the Midnight Maven palette. And, of course, the Natasha Denona Mini Retro palette. So I'm going to go in with just this neutral shade right here. And I'm just going to slightly buff that into my crease. I have no eye primer on, nothing on my lids. So this is just straight up shadow. And I do find that this little palette, like I'm after using it quite a bit now. I'm obsessed with it, actually, to be quite honest. It really packs a punch. And when you want that just nice, soft, everyday look too, as well. Now I'm going to go in with the Midnight Maven one, and I'm going to use this shade right here, which is called Frisky. Using the same brush, which is the Makeup Forever, and this is the 242 brush, one of my favorite brushes. Love this brush. So soft. And it just, like, when you're applying the shadow, it just really, I don't know, it just makes it so easy to blend the shadows. Now I'm going to take this shade right here, which is called Quickie, and I'm taking my MAC 234 brush, and I'm going to just clean it off because it had a little bit of shadow on it. And I'm just going to take that now and pop it right on my lid. So there we go. So I like that look already. Of course I do. So now I'm going to go in with the Natasha Denona Mini Retro Palette. I'm going to take this shade right here at the end. And oh, this is so pretty. And just look at that. It's so beautiful. I'm just going to take that and just tap it onto my lid. Now, I managed to find a mascara, which I forgot that I had. And this is the Milani Highly Rated Mascara. I love this mascara. It's a great mascara. But I was trying to find my L'Oreal Lash Paradise mascara, and I don't know where that's gone to. So there we go. Just a real simple eye look for today. Now I'm going to go in with my Benefits Cheek Glitters Mini Brown Squad. And I'm going to contour my face with the shade Hula. And you know what? Like, it's okay to put on makeup and, like, not, like, do the full thing, like, with foundation. And I posted a picture a while ago on my Instagram. And I wanted to make the point across that I know that, like, my brows, one's different from the other. I know that I have, like, short eyelashes. I know that I have redness to my face. But that photo is me, and I love it. And that's what I said. And I said, you know, we all don't need to be perfect. We all don't have to look perfect because in reality, we already are just the way we look. And I always want to make that positive note across that no matter what we look like, we're all beautiful. You know, my parents taught me that. They raised me to respect others. They taught me to love everybody, no matter their gender, no matter the way they look, no matter their race, no matter if they have a disability. And I think the reason how this, like, my parents are very loving people and they're very accepting people. And they always accept everybody and they have such open arms for everyone. When my sister was born, she was born with spina bifida. So therefore she had no feeling from her knees down and she could not walk. And my parents were like, you know what? That's fine. That's okay. That's who she is. You know, God gave her to us and that's who she is. And we will always love her because she's our daughter. And that's how my parents raised me, is to love everybody. And I always want to make that positive note that don't let anybody ever bring you down. You know, you are beautiful no matter what. And if somebody makes some type of comment to you about the way you look, about your weight, about the way you dress, about the way you wear makeup or your hair or your race or who you love, if it's a man or a woman, ignore them, because you know what? They're just really wasting their time and their breath, because we are beautiful just the way we are. And that's why some days I just don't want to put on lashes. I don't want to put on a full face of makeup because I am comfortable in my own skin, and I really hope that you guys are too. And I will always, always preach that message, because in the world that we're in now and what's going on and the way people are acting, and I'm like, really, people? Really? Like, what gives you the right to judge on the way somebody looks, the way somebody loves, the color of their skin? What gives you the right to judge? Because you have no right. You have zero rights. And it just makes me so upset. Like, really upset. Like, I used to get a lot of comments when I had my head shaved. Like, a lot. Out in public, you know, the way people look at me and then they make a comment. And I'm like, you know what? This is me being me. I'm happy with myself. Obviously, you're not happy with yourself because you got to make a comment. You know? And I have a lot of friends who are gay, and I love each and every one of them. And I remember when we would go out in public, there would be people stopping and looking and pointing and making comments. And I'm like, really? Like, is there any need of that? Like, really? Is there any need of it? Because there's not. There's zero need. So in the end, my message is to you, to everybody out there who sees this, that love yourself. And that's what matters the most. You know, that's what really matters the most. So I just applied some of the Natasha Denona Love Glow Cheek Palette. Love this palette. And I just put it on the Glow Cream base. And I just applied it up here to the tops of my, like, cheekbones. Not a whole lot. Now I'm going to go in with my Patrick Ta blush. And I'm going to go in with my Patrick Ta brush, which I absolutely love, love, love. And this blush here is in She's Seductive, which is a really pretty shade. And these blushes are really super pigmented, so you really only have to go in very slight-handed. And this Patrick Ta face brush, ooh, she's good. Y'all know I'm gonna go in with this. I used to use the cookie highlighter from Benefit for such a long time. Like, that was my go-to highlighter ever since it came out. Like, that's a long, long time. So I'm gonna go in with the Hourglass and the Metallic Strobe Lighting Palette. I love this palette. It was a limited edition, which I hate. Picked it up during the sale, and I'm going to go in with this shade right here. And this is the BH Cosmetics. It's my Ray Ray number 5 brush, highlighting brush. Love this brush. It is like one of my favorites. Look at that. Ooh, you're glowing. Oh, my next door neighbors are going out for a run. They got a new puppy and she's so cute. They bought her over the other day. She's a beagle and they don't know her name yet. They're picking out names. They already have one beagle named Molly and they bought over the puppy. Oh my God, she's so sweet. They always run. Hear the barking? Yeah. They get really excited when they go for a run. Anyhow, I'm going to go in with Charlotte Tilbury, the Pillow Talk lipstick, the first one, the original. Love this lipstick, so good. Like just so good. Now, just to bring some shine to my lips, what do I want to go in with? It's a toss up between Patrick Ta and Fenty Beauty. Patrick Ta, Fenty Beauty, Patrick Ta, Fenty Beauty. I think I'm going to go in with Fenty Beauty today. And this one here is in Glass Slipper. Love her glosses. They're beautiful as well. So you guys, there we go. There is my simple get ready with me. I just love this glowy look and I just feel so good about myself. I really, truly do. And I hope that you guys do too. And I hope that if you see my message that you take that with you and it makes your day feel good. It makes you feel good about yourself because remember, we are all beautiful. Let me know in the comments down below, what are your go-to get ready products? You know, do you go out with a beautiful full face? Do you go out with simple makeup that's beautiful as well? Let me know in those comments down below. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Remember, stay safe, love one another. Thank you so much for watching and we'll see you guys next time. Bye.